when you're doing regression to cause, you do abreact. It is part of the process.
But when you do it with
right?
timeline, you don't abreact.
So we have to abreact. Does abreaction harm someone?
No,
Is it
not in the
harmful?
slightest. The only constraint with abreaction, if you're a therapist, is if the person begins to abreact, you have two alternatives. You
Right.
either, if you don't feel competent and confident to deal with this, you have to shut the abreaction down right away by breaking state.
Because you don't want to have someone half abreact.
Right, because that
and
will
then bring them
intensify
up.
it.
Mhm.
So you shut it down right away by having them stand, move their arms, look back and forth, and you're giving them positive suggestions. That was then, you're clear, breathe. Or you can do Jerry Kind's wonderful line,
Yeah.
the scene fades, tend to your breathing. That's it.
So if you're doing hypnosis work with someone and an abreaction begins, if your intention is hypnotic age regression and you're getting the abreaction, see it through. Make
Yes.
sure it finishes. If you're not intending to have abreaction happen, you can either decide at that moment, okay, it's beginning and I'll let it see it through. I'm going to pace this experience and lead them to
And
a better
drain
place.
it all.
Or you have to stop it before it starts.
And you might, even a skilled therapist might choose to stop it
Mhm.
as soon as it starts. And here's the reason. Let's suppose you're working on a bunch of stuff in a 1 hour, 90-minute session. I used to do 90-minute sessions, but let's say you're doing that and you're in the last 10 minutes of your session, you cleared all this stuff and you accidentally pop them into some event that starts abreaction. That's when you want to shut it down because you're not going to have time to clear it. You'd be booking
Right.
another session to
Mhm.
bring them back.
that makes a lot of sense.